Hello everybody, it's me, Scooter. We had to go and drop the winter packages in the mail for whoever won the Alabama and Auburn shirt. Your shirts are on the way. You're going to have to watch the video to see who won, but I figured, hey, Target ain't so far from the post office. Let's go in here and go to the Target and see if they got any figures. And I was like, well, the Target's right down the road. We mailed the package off. So I said, let's go to Target and see if they got any cool wrestling figures. So that's what we're doing. But yeah, we're gonna go and see if they got anything that's cool that we can't just live without. And I'm glad that we had to come to Target anyway, because I gotta get power strip. Because I'm tired of, I could get another adapter, but I just want to just go ahead and get a power strip and just be done with it. If they don't have a power strip, I'm gonna see if they got an adapter that we can plug in to make a freeway a two-way plug into the wall, because we don't have those. So we're just gonna go and see if they got an adapter. If they don't have the adapter, I'll just buy the power strip cord and I will plug it in, and I'll plug that down into the back. But I'm hoping they have an adapter. But we're gonna go and see. Okay, I don't see the adapter that I need, so I'm gonna have to get a power strip cord. And we don't need, yeah, they don't have none of the things I need, so we're just gonna grab this little $9 one right here. Or the, oh, that one has a USB charging cord thing in it. But we're gonna get this one. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one, because we're gonna go with this one right here. It's $8, and you know, they got one with a USB charging cord, but I don't need that because this will work fine with me. I just plug it into my wall, and then we can plug that adapter onto this, and it'll be good. Now that we got this, we're going to go and check out some toys and see if they got any new wrestling figures, because I think their truck came in yesterday. So we're gonna go. Oh, look how cute that is. We got a Lego thing. But yeah, we're gonna go and we're gonna check out, see if they got anything that we want or feel like we just can't live without. Hey, look at that. Oh, we got Star Wars stuff. I love that show. Okay, we got the Millennium Falcon right here, $59.99. You got that up there. Got the interior walker. You got that thing right there. You got that droid. I can't remember his name. You got the XP fighters. You got all these neat toys, but the thing is, I don't like Legos. I really have never tried Legos. I don't want to deal with the headache. I'll be like Butters in that episode Tap Dancing. when he ended up tap dancing and his shoes fell off again and killed everybody. Yeah. Oh, look at this, y'all. I remember seeing these on that 8-bit guy. He was talking about these games right here, how some of them can plug into your TV and all that. Yeah, I remember him talking about those. I haven't seen him in a while. I don't know what's going on. I figured he would be making more episodes now, but I guess he's still waiting to finish his other room up. Light break. I remember this as a kid. And that's how I learned how to spell, is that little thing right there. Oh my God. I remember these Lincoln Logs. I played with these as a kid. Favorite thing to do, pass time. When we wasn't outside, we were playing with those. Let's see here, what else we got? Okay, we got more. Well, let's see here. What the hell? What was that? I just heard something growl at me. What the fuck was that? I'm literally walking around. I heard something growl at me. I don't know what it was. Okay. What the hell? I know I ain't hearing things. Okay. Don't look like we got any new ones. I'm looking at the wrestling figures right now, and they don't have anything new. We got Mr. Heeman. You got Mr. Wonderful. These are all before my time. You got Eric up there. You got Ivan. You got Rochester. See, I don't need all these. You got Rochester. You got Roman Reigns. See, I don't need all this crap. See, that stuff, like, they give you these hands, 2 hands. You don't need all that. Like, who's going to take the time to change out all that stuff? I'm not. We got the side. You got the Championship Showdown. You got, these are like $19. You got Roman Reigns and Finn Balor. You got Alexa Bliss and Banks. Finn Balor and Roman. Yeah, Roman Reigns and yeah. And then we got AEW here. I gotta get me another phone, y'all, so that I can use my other camera. Because this is so irritating having to do it this way. Dustin Rhodes, Pentagon Jr., MJF, and Dustin Rhodes. And we got Ray Phoenix, whoever that is, up there. Yeah, I have to get me another cell phone, y'all. This is about impossible trying to make a video. And how many of y'all remember this cat line? Yeah. And these were the this was the action figures I sent when I mailed off the Galaxy Universe that Matt won. He won that, so I sent him 2 of those figures, and I think he may have got more. I don't know. We got Halo, Fortnite. We got Fortnite guys here. I've never followed Fortnite, to be honest with you. Halo and Fortnite's on this aisle. We're gonna go and see what else that they have as far as toys go. Let's see here. They got Battle World. We got some other stuff here. There's a little thing that you put them in and play with. I don't see nothing very fun about that. You got Venomous, the Maximum Spider-Man, and you got Spider-Man here. X-Men. We're looking around. Don't really see. We got Joker. You got. I like DC Comics, but I don't. You got Joker here. 19. You got Auto Batman armor. You got Joker. You got Batman. You got the Riddler. Nightwing. Whoever that is. Never heard of him. Superman. Now, Superman, he's the man back in the day. I think Christopher Reeve was the best Superman I've ever seen. And as far as Batman was Nicolas Cage. He was it? No, it was, yeah, the original Batman. Yeah, I think that's him. The guy that plays Beetlejuice, he made the best Batman I've ever seen. Okay, Joker, Nicolas. But yeah. But we're looking at the cars now. Trying to decide if I want to buy one of these or not. I really don't have nowhere in the yard to ride it except for in the back. But yeah. Hey, what's this? I just saw these. Oh, it's just they got Braun Strowman one right here, and this. But this is like at the Target and Bessemer. So if you see any of these and you're from, so you might want to come and check these out, because look at this. Look at this. $19. I remember somebody having one of these toys. They loved it. Look, you got a Hyper $1.99. Too small for me. Battle Bots. I remember watching that show. Fine, but it's hard to get into. I mean, okay, let's see here. Yeah, I decided, I had to drop off that package. Post office, so I said, hey, let's go to the Target and see if there's anything that we just gotta have. And I'm looking, and I got that gun. This is a Fortnite SMGE, and we got a Nerf Fortnite IR. I guess that's supposed to be like an. I know I can't think of the gun off the top of my head, but it's trying to emulate. But an AR, it looks like, yeah. IR, it's an AR. An AR-15. That's what it is. It's supposed to be emanate an AR-15, I think. And then you got this Nerf gun. It has a scope on it, but the scope, like, it has a target thing right there. I would have put the target inside the glass. And then you got these. I'm thinking, trying to look, you got this mega gun up here. Trying to make sure y'all can see it, because like I said, I'm having to use the front of my camera, y'all, and this is really pissing me off. I'm probably about to have to go and just buy me a new one and get one so the camera can work, because this is very irritating. Okay, and we got the Vigilant X Shot. Wow, it's a. See here. Ooh, dark zone. Shoots up to 90 feet. That's awesome. Look at that. 90 feet. That thing has a serious drum on it. Reminds me of a mini. That gun that Bonnie and Clyde used to use a lot. And then you got that one right there. Rotating chamber. Yeah. Sort of Tommy gun. That's it. Tommy gun. And then you got darts right here up to 90 feet. Could you imagine getting hit from 90 feet away? And we got the Crusher. It's a minigun. Doesn't hold that many. You can shoot that many in no time flat. It's a minigun. It's decent price. Got another minigun right here. It's $19.99. I like Nerf guns. It's just I don't want. We might get one to give away. But I've been coming in here and I've been looking at this science stuff. And it's really cool stuff, y'all. If you haven't been to Target and looked at it, you really should. It's over here by the toys department. And they sell all sorts of neat science stuff that you might not like. Oh, look. Ooh, what's that? Sorry. Simon Sorry. That sounds like a game that would end up all over the living room floor. So does Parcheesi, Monopoly, any Monopoly game. If the game hasn't ended up on the floor, then you haven't played it right. Okay, the Monopoly House Divided. This must be in the Democrat and the Democrat edition. I bet you that's what that is. Okay, and I'm gonna show you. If you ever go to the Target, look for the science stuff. It's very neat. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Some of you probably won't remember these but I do, because I was born in the 80s. We got all sorts of neat stuff like a rocket science right there. You got the telescope, monocular. You got a Smithsonian microscope. This is all the cool science stuff they have. They got this plasma ball. You rub your finger over it and it'll follow your protons and electrons. We got a Smithsonian jellyfish tank. Discovery, Mind Blown, and a Discovery Mind Blown auditorium that posts stuff on your ceiling. Just neat stuff. But yeah, that's what we've been looking at, but we had to get this power strip. I gotta have a way to I think I'm gonna buy a gun. I'm not sure which one, but and I'm gonna give it away. Well, we already got a couple of these Fortnite guns we're gonna give away. We just haven't done it yet, and I don't know when we are, but we will eventually. We're not in no hurry. We got plenty of them, and the only gun. This one is $28 right here. This one is $39.99. And then there's this one that shoots grenades. It's called the Fortnite GL Fortnite, and that one is $59.99. And yeah, that seems to be a nice gun. I couldn't imagine getting hit by one of those, but yeah. Let's see here. I'm gonna look around and see if they got any more toys that we might be in. And then we got a whole bunch of these Hot Wheel cars. Uh-oh. Like $4.99. I think we got some of these in my room that we were planning on giving away. We just haven't done it yet. Look at that. SWAT, Hot Wheels. But yeah, they got a lot of Hot Wheels here. For sure. Don't get me wrong, I like Hot Wheels. It's just, I don't have nowhere for Hot Wheel cars to go. I mean, my room ain't very big, so I have to I can't just get a whole bunch of stuff, you know, in my room. Hey, look, they're already getting the summer stuff out. The swimming pools and all that out. We got some bicycles. But yeah, we're gonna go and see. Look at that. Is that not cool? Look at that. A Spalding NBA Slam Jam rubber ball. Look at that. I might have to come back and get that. That would be awesome. Somebody would love to win that and put that on their wall. Like I said, we'll have to come back and get that when we can. Like I said, we got so many prizes in our closet already. And they got bicycles up here too. Like I said, I like very different things, you know. And mongoose bike. That's nice. Hey, wait a minute. Somebody put that steering wheel on backwards. Look at that. Somebody put that on backwards. Because look, well, I cannot believe that. I guess when you turn the wheel around, it'll level out right, but that's on backwards. I never seen. I told y'all, I know the stuff that most people wouldn't notice. That's on wrong. Look at that. Ooh, a 26 something. Look at that. It has shocks on it. I wouldn't mind having another bicycle just to have around the house, you know, just in case that we can't get out of the house and it snows. You can always go somewhere on a bicycle. I mean, bicycles they're going to go anywhere. As long as you pedal it, it's going. It don't matter what the weather condition is. Okay. But, I don't really see anything else I need. But yeah, I don't see anything. I don't see nothing. I mean, I wish there was something else I could come up here and get y'all, but honestly, I really don't see nothing. I mean, it looks like all we're going to be leaving with today is just this power strip because they really don't have nothing that I absolutely just can't go without or need. Wants and needs are two different things. And yeah, need and wants. I need it. I don't want it. I need it. Needs and wants. I need it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just have to call it a wrap for today, y'all, because like I said, I don't see nothing else that I really need. I mean, I wish that they had some more wrestling figures, but I don't really need those. And like I said, these. Just looking, making sure before I leave there ain't nothing else. And yeah. Yeah, it's that bad. Not that bad. One, two, three, all in. That's my one to have in. Okay, who's this one? Who's behind that guy? Yeah, go with behind. Who is it? Same person. It is? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. I love these drones, but y'all, I just don't have the patience to learn how to fly one. And plus, they're too high. If you wreck one, you're out like $99. So, but I'm trying to find a decent remote control car, but I don't see none. Buzz be worth. You know, if they had that Transformer Prime, I would be all over that. But that's all they have. And yeah, they don't have a very big selection of remote control vehicles, but massive mover. We don't know. We're looking. These are all the Avengers, Mario Kart. I remember that. That was a fun game. Fast and the Furious. Well, they don't exactly. Vortex. Well, everybody, it looks like all we're leaving today was just power strip, because I don't see no remote control vehicles, and that's what I was really wanting to get. And they got this hover thing for like $19 right here, but I'm not sure that one has lights on it or not. And then you got this hyper thing right here. Yeah, I just don't see it. Somebody, yeah, what's this? Is that a remote control dinosaur? No. Watch out, I'll roar and bite. I know a bunch of married women that do that. Yeah, here we go. We got these. Yeah, y'all, I just don't see it. I really don't. I'm trying to be positive about this, but y'all, I don't really see nothing. Look, they got the Hulk, $14. Look at that. But no. And like I said, we got the Ghostbusters, we got Stand, and we got, yeah, Power Rangers. I remember the Power Rangers. But everybody, it looks like we're just going to have to leave on this bombshell, because we're just going to have to go and get this power cord, and we're going to have to leave, because I don't see anything else worth trying to get, because there ain't nothing. Like I said, I checked out everything that we came to check out. Wrestling figures, all that. The only thing we could get was the power cord. So I guess we're just going to go home. I guess we're going to leave here and go to Chick-fil-A and get something to eat. And then, you know, like I said, there ain't really nothing that I can't go without. I mean, wait a minute. What's, you know what? Yeah, I think that's going to be it. I mean, I like this jellyfish one right here. Look at that. It's cool, but it ain't as cool as this. And it's like $24. And the jellyfish one is, I don't know. I've never been a fan of jellyfish. I think we're gonna go ahead and we'll just get this. we go. First time we've ever came to Target and I had to actually try to find something to buy because they didn't have anything. They didn't have nothing that caught my eye. They didn't have nothing that was catching my eyes, so, you know,
yeah,
it's scary. Well, at least we didn't go to Walmart. It would have been a big disappointment because we would have been in there walking around trying to find stuff, and I guess this will work. And once again, congratulations to our winner that won our shirts. They have been shipped out. They are on their way. If you don't know who won, you're going to have to watch the video. I'm about to go and pay for this. I'm going to get something to eat.
yes, it'll be fine. Okay. How are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Let me put my phone right there.
37.38.
Okay. I saw that and I just had to get it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thanks a lot. You have a nice
good
day.
day.
Okay. We are out of here, y'all. We got what we came in here to get. We're gonna go to Chick-fil-A now, and we're gonna get something to eat. When we get home, we're gonna plug this. Well, later on tonight, we're gonna be giving away our next giveaway prize. And like I said, these two items we're gonna do two separate videos on, and then we're gonna give them both away come Monday. So I'm hoping that y'all will comment on this one, because I have to get rid of these two items. They're just in the way and I got to get rid of them. But like I said, y'all, the weather's starting to turn beautiful. I hope it gets beautiful soon. I need to get back in the ring as soon as possible so we can start making videos of us in the ring. But yeah, we're gonna go. Okay, and this pretty much is a wrap for this video. Like I like to say, congratulations to who won the shirts. If you don't know who won the shirts, go and watch the latest video. And we hope that more people will comment on our next giveaway. Like I said, it's gonna be two different videos to giveaways, but we're gonna give them both away on Monday. And we're hoping that we wish y'all the best of luck, because like I said, we're gonna make a video tonight, and when we're making a video, we'll show you that thing plugged in. And until our next video, y'all, have a good night.